In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align multiple tags using the Align tool. Clear, consistent tag placement makes your drawings easier to read and keeps your documentation professional. So let's walk through a simple, reliable way to line everything up quickly. Start by selecting the tags you want to bring into alignment. In your view, hold the Control key and click each tag one by one. You'll see them highlight as you add them to the selection. Take a moment to zoom in so you're clicking the tag itself, not the leader or nearby elements. If you accidentally pick something else, keep holding Control and click it again to remove it from the selection. This careful selection step makes the rest of the process smooth. With your tag selected, it's time to use the Align tool. Go to the Modify tab, find the Align panel and choose Align. You're telling the software that you want to match the position of your selected tags to a single clean reference, and the Align tool is the fastest way to do that. Next, pick your reference. This can be a line in your view, like a grid line or detail line that's already placed where you want the tags to sit, or it can be a tag that's already positioned exactly the way you like. Click that reference first. This sets the target that everything else will snap to. Choosing a good reference is key. Make sure it's exactly where you want the final alignment to land, whether that's perfectly vertical, horizontal, or along a specific angled line. Now click the remaining tags one at a time. As you click each tag, it will snap into line with your chosen reference, matching that position so your tags read neatly down a column or across a row. Keep going until all the selected tags are aligned. If a tag doesn't move, it may be pinned or part of a group. Pause and unpin it if necessary, then continue aligning. When you're done, press ESC to exit the Align command. Before you wrap up, take a quick look across your view to confirm spacing and readability. Align tags should be clear and not overlap leaders or geometry. If you want to adjust the alignment, simply repeat the process with a different reference. With this approach, you'll achieve clean, consistent tag placement in just a few clicks.